If you've seen the term HMO when looking for health insurance, you may be wondering just what that is. An HMO is a health maintenance organization. So what's it all about? An HMO may provide more affordable health costs. How? First, the monthly premium you pay for an HMO can be lower than for other health plans. And second, with an HMO, you go to a select group of network doctors and hospitals. That can save you money as well. You'll choose a primary care physician, or PCP, from this select group of physicians. Your PCP will coordinate your care. If you need to see a specialist, they can refer you to one in the network. And you can often get free or affordable health care for flu shots, physicals, and other selected services. With an HMO, it's easy to receive quality care and save money, all while establishing a trusted relationship with your primary care physician.